Okay, starting off Latin chicken popsicles. First, I have uh, one jalapeno cut in half with the seeds and the innards put on the side. This is going to be for the sauce for dipping. Two pretty big garlic cloves and 3 stalks of green onion. It's going to go into my mini food processor. Okay, this is after the food processor with those vegetables I first talked about. Going to add a pound of ground chicken and 1 egg for now. Back in a minute. Okay, got the meat and the egg in the bowl. Same with the cuttings up from the mini food processor. Gonna add some panko, cumin, cilantro, and chili powder. Panko, cumin, cilantro, and chili powder. Time to mix this up into something I could form into a popsicle. Okay, after mixing up, it's still a little too wet, so I'm going to add another half cup of panko to it, some black pepper, which is about a half a teaspoon, some sharp cheddar, and a little smokehouse blend. Trying to make it not so wet. Okay, I made 2 eggs with some half and half and salt and pepper to dip into this panko with using this chicken mixture. Let's see what happens. Okay, the start before I fry. I hope these hold together. But I use the egg wash and the panko. Let's see what happens. Okay. 2 are in the deep fryer. I am frying them at about 325 degrees for about 7 minutes. Hope this turns out. Okay. First ones look pretty good. Let's see how they turn out. Thinking. Chicken popsicles. Chicken popsicles.